In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Wrike dark mode, a process that will take only about 5 minutes. Let's dive straight into it, starting with opening your preferred web browser. You're going to want to search for Wrike on your search engine, or simply enter wrike.com into the address bar. Wrike is a popular project management tool that many professionals use to keep their tasks organized in one place. Once the Wrike website loads, you'll notice options like Log In or Try Wrike for free. If you already have an account, go ahead and click Log In to access your workspace. If you're new to Wrike, click on Try Wrike for free to set up your account. It's intuitive, so just follow the steps they provide. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Wrike workspace. On the sidebar of your workspace, look for your profile picture. Locating this is crucial because it serves as your gateway to various settings, including the option to change the theme of your workspace. Once you spot your profile picture, go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll find several options, but what we're interested in today is Appearance. Click on Appearance, and this will take you to the Settings area where you can alter the look and feel of your Wrike environment. Within the Appearance settings, you'll see a variety of themes you can choose from. For this video, let's focus on enabling the dark mode. Simply select the dark mode theme from the available options. By doing this, your entire Wrike workspace will transform into a dark-themed version, which can be particularly helpful in reducing eye strain, especially if you're working long hours or during nighttime. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully enabled dark mode in Wrike, making your workspace not only easier on the eyes, but also giving it a sleek, modern look. Remember, you can always return to the appearance settings if you want to test other themes or switch back to the light mode at any time. So, that wraps up our quick tutorial on enabling dark mode in Wrike. I hope you found this video helpful and that it makes your experience with Wrike more enjoyable and personalized. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.